What's up everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks. If you are new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. And on today's video, we are diving deep into a topic that's been making waves recently. Why Canada is not extending visas for Jamaicans and other Caribbeans. If you are from the Caribbean or just curious about what's happening, keep watching this video and don't forget to give it a like on social with your friends. So let's start by understanding what's going on. Recently, a lot of Jamaicans and Caribbeans have been feeling the effects of stricter visa policies in Canada. Visas are harder to come by, and extensions seem like a distant off for many. But why is this happening? Canada has been tightening its immigration policies across the board. This is not just affecting the Caribbean, but today we will focus on how it impacts Jamaicans and our fellow Caribbean people. So, one reason Canada might not be extending visas could be rooted in economics. Canada has been dealing with its own economic challenges post-pandemic. And with unemployment rising and inflation climbing, the government is trying to prioritize jobs for its citizens. But that's not only the issue. Politically, there has been growing pressure on the Canadian government to tighten up on immigration to manage the influx of new arrivals. With an increasing number of immigrants from all over the world, Canada is struggling to balance the needs of its citizens and the demand for immigrant workers too. So let's talk about the visa policies themselves. One big change we have seen is the stricter rules around the temporary visas and work permits. Canada is making it harder for people to renew these visas, especially those from a certain region, and unfortunately, the Caribbean is on the list. Now, for example, many Jamaicans come to Canada on work visas for seasonal labor, especially in industries like agriculture. And with the new policies, some of these workers are now struggling to stay longer or renew their visas, which impacts not only their livelihood but also Canada's workforce. Now, another factor is perceptions. Sadly, some people in position of power might have a negative view of certain groups, and the Caribbean has faced its fair share of stereotypes. Despite the hard-working communities and cultural contribution, there is still this lingering prejudice in some circles that influence policy decisions. But let me be clear, Jamaicans and Caribbeans have contributed massively to Canada's growth, from healthcare to construction, and of course, through vibrant culture and a lot of things. We can't let this visas issue erase that fact. So what can we do moving forward? First off, it's important for us to stay informed. Government often makes changes to immigration policies, and that we need to stay on top of. If you or someone you know is dealing with the visa issues, seek legal advice, explore alternative pathways, and stay engaged with community advocacy groups. There is also a push for the Caribbean nation to improve relations with Canada, ensuring that there is more cooperation of visas and immigration issues. We can't let these challenges slow us down. Before I wrap up, I want to highlight something important. Despite the challenges, Jamaica and Caribbean have made a tremendous impact in Canada, from healthcare professionals to entrepreneurs and artists. Our people continue to thrive and contribute to the growth of Canadian society. And so it's important for us to support each other, to lift each other up, and to remember that even though visa challenges exist, we are resilient and we will continue to make history in every corner of the world. And if you are passionate about this issue, get involved. Support advocacy groups that are pushing for better immigration policies. Sign petitions, attend meetings, and raise your voice. The more we speak out, the harder it will be for this challenge to go unnoticed. And also keep sharing your stories, whether it's through social media, community platforms, or even conversation with local leaders. Our voices matters. We have the power to create change, but only if we stay united and committed to the cause. And at the end of the day, it's about hope and perseverance. Yes, the visa situation is tough right now, but it does not define us. Whether we are in Jamaica, Canada, or anywhere else in the world, our spirit remains unbreakable. We are resilient, resourceful, and ready to overcome. Together, we can face any challenge head on. So thank you so much for sticking around till the end. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with anyone who needs to hear it, and let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. What are your thoughts about what are your thoughts on the visa situation? Let me know. So there you have it, a closer look at why Canada might not be extending visas for Jamaicans and our Caribbean brothers and sisters. I know it's a tough situation, but staying informed and advocating for ourselves is the key. And if you found this video helpful, still like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on immigration, culture, and everything in between. Thank you so much.